Hi Shauna, it's Angie. I just want to show you how to do a few things in your back end of your admin area. It's really very easy, so let's go ahead and use your username and password and click on login. Okay, for you to do your blog, this is really very easy. All you need to do is create a new article. So you click on add new article. And it's going to bring up what you see is what you get editor, so you should be familiar with this type of system. You'll want to create a title for your article that you're going to write or your blog posting. And then you want to make sure that you put it in the section that's going to appear on the blog page, which the blog is connected to your section that you created, I Hate Self-Promoting, and it automatically brings up Shauna's blog. So then you can go ahead and type whatever text you want in there. And you can add links. By doing this, you highlight over some of the words. And then these right here are the adding the link feature. Just type in the link address there and hit insert. And it creates the link for you. Now if you want to add a picture, that's a little bit trickier, but it's not difficult. All you would do is put your cursor where you would want it to appear and click down here on the image button. What this does is this opens up the image manager, which I'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. Pulls up all the pictures that are already in there. If you don't have one in there that you want to use, you go ahead and click browse and it opens up pictures. Or opens up the things that are on your computer hard drive. So then you can click on a picture. I'll click on that one and I'll hit upload. And I click on that and I align it. Let's align it left. I insert it and there you go. Your picture's there. I'm going to go ahead and delete that out. So it's very easy to use that. Then of course over here on your parameters, since you are the author and not me, you would want to click on Shauna Ray. And then on the advanced parameters, you can decide what you want to show. So if you want the author name to show, you can do that. The created date. Modified date you probably don't need, so you could hit hide. And then the PDF, print, and email icons, you can do whatever you like with those. But I would keep obviously the created date and the author date the way they are. And then you would just hit save, which I'm not going to do that right now, but you go ahead and hit save, and it would then show on your Shauna's blog on this page. It would be the very first one that's listed. It is set to replace, or be, the one that you do next is set to replace the top one and push the other one down. So they'll just keep going one right after another like that. But you always have to make sure that you save that article to the correct section and category in order for it to appear. Okay? Not too difficult. Let's go back in and look at the gallery that I was in, the Media Manager. You can add things directly to the Media Manager. And whenever you're working on an article images always come out of the Stories folder. So you want to make sure any images that you know you're going to want them to appear on a story, you load them in this section. So you can do that ahead of time. Now your regular gallery is actually found here under components. And I'm going to show you how to use that in a separate video. Okay?